Yes, good afternoon, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? This is the third mock test, third mini mock test for HPCL, guys. Yes. My voice is coming. Fine. So, guys, shall we start the session? Are we ready? Okay, guys. So we are starting the session here. So guys, this is the mock test 3 because you know already 2 mock tests we have done. This is the third mock test as tomorrow is the exam. So I delayed the session by some duration because I just put in a video of weightage analysis. So I thought that is also important video for you. So this is detail about me, and Telegram channel is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you will get the PDF of this session also. And guys, now on 24th of December, you can appear for a scholarship test to get the 90%, up to 90% scholarship for GATE 2025 programs and ESC 2025 programs. For that also there is a workshop on 27th December will be taken by Rakesh Talreja sir at 7:30 p.m. on how to secure single digit ranking GATE 25. Okay, so this is the free workshop. You can register here. Link is there in the description. So moving further, guys, you also know on 7th January ISRO is there. So ISRO free quizzes are available on the app. That also you can get advantage by downloading the app. The link for that also is there in the description. Now without wasting the time, we are starting the questions. Yes. So this is the very first question, guys. Start solving it, then we are moving ahead. This is the very first question. Okay. So first question is saying that a block of mass m is connected to 2 springs. You can see one is K1, other is K2. And they are also saying F1 and F2 are the frequency of the block when connected to K1 and K2 independently. Means they are saying if we are having only K1 with the mass, then that frequency of the vibration will be F1. If we are going to have only K2 with the mass, the frequency will be F2. Okay, so guys, they are asking you now what would be the answer. Okay, so Amit is saying the answer to be A. YS is also saying the answer to be A. Okay, guys, first of all tell me, when we are saying F1, do you agree that F1 will be square root of K1 by M? And F2 will be nothing but the square root of K2 by M. Yes, you would be having, as they are the frequencies, as they have not mentioned it, or you can also put 1 by 2 pi also. Okay, 1 by 2 pi also you can keep. Is it clear for everyone? And now, my dear, if we are going to say, yes, good afternoon, Mani, how are you? If you want to talk about this figure, for that you can write the frequency is going to be square root of K1 plus K2 by M. Yes, 1 by 2 pi will be there. So don't you feel when you will be putting it 1 by 2 pi into, can we write it K1 by M plus K2 by M? So you know that if F1 is square root of K1 by M, even you can put it as F is equals to, don't you feel we can write 1 by 2 pi. Even I would like to say we need not to consider 2 pi because they have not mentioned whether it is in radian per second or hertz. So you can also ignore 1 by 2 pi. That is also not required actually. Okay. So if you see this properly, I feel you will be getting the idea what to do. K1 by M, K2 by M. You know K1 by M is F1 ka square. K2 by M is F2 ka square. So can we write it as square root of F1 ka square plus F2 ka square? So this is how the students get wrong answer in this question. Answer will be C for this. Is it clear? Yes, YS. This is a ISRO PYQ. But guys, I have taken the question from various sources. Some are from DRDO, ISRO, Engineering Services. Even some are from HPCL. Because if you see, HPCL questions are also coming from these sources. You can check previous 2-year paper. So I have done a lot of research over that. After that only I am searching the questions for you. You will see questions are repeating in all the PSUs. Like in BEL, BDL, you have seen already. Okay, so they are repeated ones only from some of the spaces. So I have taken the level equivalent to HPCL. Sources you should not mind. What would be the answer for this question? Yes, so C is correct for the first one. What would be the answer for this? The block has a kinetic energy of 3 joule and the spring has an elastic energy of 2 joule. So when the block is at 2 centimeter, what is the kinetic energy when the block is at x is equals to 0? Yes. Can you tell me the answer for this? Can you tell me the answer for this? This is from engineering mechanics. Previous question was from vibrations. This is from engineering mechanics. So I feel everybody know that the total energy is going to be constant if there is no friction. You can also consider it from vibrations as well. And total energy will be elastic energy or potential energy of spring and kinetic energy of mass. So when x is equals to 0, the total energy will become kinetic energy. Okay. And when x is non-zero, then total energy will be potential energy plus kinetic energy. But total energy is always going to be constant. So kinetic energy at x is equals to 0, you need to find out. This can be written as potential energy plus kinetic energy at any value of x. For x is equals to 2 centimeters, they have given this. So can you tell me the answer for this? Yes, Amit is saying answer to be D. Yes, very good, very good. The answer for this is going to be D. Because when you will be putting this is 3 plus 2, answer will be 5 joules. Answer will be D for this. Very good. So moving to the next question, guys. Question number 3. This is strength of material. So guys, I would like to say today also we have 42 question. It is 50% of 85 nearly. So that is why here we are having half test of HPCL. It was not possible for me to cover all the subjects in that, but I tried to cover maximum subjects. Okay. Yes. The answer for this is the Poisson ratio symbol. This gamma is the Poisson ratio symbol. Yes, what would be the answer, guys? Third ka B. YS is saying third ka B. What about others? Mani is also saying B. Very good. What about others? What about others? Yes, B is correct. B is correct. B is correct. When you are writing epsilon xx, it will be sigma xx by E minus mu times sigma yy by E minus mu times sigma zz by E. So answer will be B for this. Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. Next question is question number 4. A hollow shaft of same cross section area as solid shaft transmits. Dear YS, I would like to tell you, as HPCL peoples are giving you only 40 seconds for one question. So they will hardly ask you 8 to 10 questions where some calculations would be required. Okay, rest questions will be non-calculative because aptitude part is already having some small calculations. So technical part will not have much calculation, and if it will have, cutoff will be reduced. Like last year cutoff was less, in 2021 cutoff was high. Okay. And whatever the weightage analysis I have taken, you will see I have also predicted 5 most important subjects which would be having highest weightage tomorrow. So you can check that video in the video section. I have tried to give you the analysis of previous 2 years. So answer here going to be more torque. C would be the right answer. Because you know that whenever we are talking about the power transmission capacity of solid to hollow, when we are having torque of solid to hollow, if they are saying that they are having same cross section area, for same cross section area, obviously this is going to be less than 1. Means torque of hollow will be going to be more than torque of solid. Power of hollow is going to be more than power of solid. Okay. So that is going to be the case if the area is same. Okay. But if outer diameter is same, then solid would be going to be the better option. Moving to question number 5. Here they are saying the extension of a mild steel bar. So this kind of 1 to 2 numerical you will find where you need to apply the simple formula. Questions are not difficult. They can be slightly tricky or lengthy. And from the previous year paper, you will also learn one thing, that material science is also asked for 6 to 7 marks. Okay, so that is why material science is also becoming important. But if you have not studied till now, then don't go for it. Go for it only if you have previously done it. The answer for this. So guys, do like and share the session. This particularly you don't know, in the night up to 2 a.m., 3 a.m. we are searching the question, making the PPT, making the solution, then coming live for you. Yes, the answer for this is going to be, so I have calculated, the answer will be coming out to be, I feel 2 mm. Are we not getting 2 mm? Delta is force they have given as 20 kilonewton into 10 to the power 3. Length is 4 meter, 4000. Divided by area is 2000 mm square. Okay, and then Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power 5. So when we are going for this, are we not getting 2 mm? Are we not getting 2 mm? Definitely, Ram Singh, questions will be coming from new topic, but they will be less in number. Okay, because whatever the new topic added, if the more question will be coming from there, cutoff is going to be decreased for sure. Okay, because every student cannot go for those electrical civil part. Okay, don't worry about that. But yes, ESC paper 1 part, the student who are going to appear for ESC would be surely doing. So there are two ways. Either you also have command on ESC paper 1 subject, otherwise you can have more command on aptitude part. There you can score more. So answer for this, okay, 0.2 mm we are getting, no issues. So B will be the answer in that case. Moving to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6, this is once again from strength of material. They are asking circumferential and longitudinal strains in the cylindrical boiler under internal stream pressure epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. Change in the volume of the boiler cylinder per unit volume will be. Tell me the answer, guys. Yes, Amresh, Mani, YS, Amit, Manish, Sanket. Very good, guys, very good. So you know that when we are talking about the volumetric strain, it is coming out to be epsilon xx plus yy plus zz. This is the answer for cylindrical body. This is the answer for cylindrical body. And when we are talking about, sorry, not cylindrical, this is for cubical body. For cylindrical body, it is 2 times circumferential plus longitudinal. And then for spherical, it is 3 times circumferential. Answer will be C for this. C is the right answer. Moving to question number 7, guys. Moving to question number 7. 7 is saying if water in closed pipe freezes, if water in closed pipe freezes, the pipe will rupture along a plane perpendicular to axis of pipe, rupture zigzag along the length, rupture along the weakest circumferential section, rupture along a line running longitudinally along the pipe. Yes, you know that whenever we are talking about the cylinder, you know that if it is a thin cylinder, you know that this will be the direction of circumferential stresses. This will be the direction of circumferential stresses. So you know that whenever we are talking about the circumferential stresses, they are always found to be 2 times of longitudinal stresses if only internal pressure is applied. So if that is the case, circumferential stresses are more, longitudinal are less. So because of circumferential, my dear, failure will be happening along this line only, na? Because if here the pressure is there, here the pressure is there, circumferential pressure is acting like that. So here answer is going to be D. Rupture is always happening longitudinally. Along this length the rupture will be happening. Or let us say if the joint is present here, okay, between the cylinders, then my dear, here the rupture will be happening. So rupture is always going to happen on the longitudinal, you can say on the line, because there only circumferential stress will be more. Okay, so answer for this will be D. Moving to next question, question number 8. This is from testing of materials. This is from testing of materials. This is from testing of materials. Solve it, guys. This is from testing of materials. Yes. So guys, do like and share the session, and we are also going to meet for ISRO after your HPCL paper. And after HPCL paper, there is a request from all of you, please share the number of questions from which areas they have asked and everything, so that we can make an analysis video. So they are asking you this angle. So dear, the angle is 45 degree. Notch angle is 45 degree. Those students who studied from me in the class, you would be knowing that I give all the dimensions. If they are asking this is 2 mm. Okay, this is 2 mm. Moving to the next question, question number 9, guys. This is from, once again, tone and vibrations. So they are saying under logarithmic decrement, the amplitude of successive vibrations are. Amplitude of successive vibration. You know the case of underdamped vibration? It is going to be like that. So if this is x0, this is x1, this is x2 and on, and so on. Yes. What would be the answer? So guys, I feel everybody know, whenever we are saying the ratio x0 by x1, it is going to be e to the power zeta, omega and td. Yes or no? So they are saying under logarithmic decrement, the amplitude of successive. So if this, you can say x0 is equals to x1 e to the power, okay, x0 by x1. x0 is bigger, x1 is smaller. Okay, so x1 e to the power zeta, omega and td. From here you can say x1 is nothing but x0 e to the power minus zeta, omega and td. If I want to write down this, okay, some are saying GP, some are saying constant. So I am saying you will be writing the amplitude like x0, x1, x2 like that. So if x0 is x0, x1 is going to be x0 e to the power minus zeta, omega and td. Then you know it is going to be x0 e to the power minus 2 zeta, omega and td. So can you feel the power is increasing? So obviously this is going to be GP. It is going to be like AR square. So answer will be in geometric progression. C would be the right answer. Very good, Amresh. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Everybody got it? Yes, it's Manish got it. YS got it. Amit got it. Dear, but they are not asking about that now. What they are asking? Yes, individual ratio x0 by x1, x1 by x2, that is constant. But they are asking that कि x0, x1, x2, what kind of series this is? Ratio is constant, na? Ratio is constant. But if you see the series, if this is x0, this is x0 e to the power minus delta, then it is x0 e to the power minus 2 delta. That's why the ratio is constant. But series is there, na? They are not asking about ratio, they are asking about the series. So answer will be geometric progression. Moving to question number 10, guys. Moving to question number 10. Wonderful, guys. Question number 10. This is the periodic time of simple pendulum is given by. This question have been asked many times in PSUs. So I have taken from various sources. What would be the answer for this, guys? 42 questions. Today we have 32 are still left. This is the 10th one only. But today I have taken exactly HPCL level, less numerical, more theory. So we will be able to complete the session very fast. Answer for this is, what is the answer? Answer will be A, 2 pi square root of L by G. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 11. In a single reduction, large velocity ratio is required. The best transmission is. This is about gears. This is about gears. If you want more velocity ratio in single reduction, which gear drive will be preferred? You know that for that we will be preferring worm wheel gear. I would like to tell you, if you want more than 10:1 speed ratio, then we are going for the gear trains. Only there is one set of gear which can give more than this velocity ratio, that is worm and worm wheel. And I would like to tell you that worm and worm wheel, when we are talking about, their starting ranges are amazing. 40:1 are their starting ranging. So that is why C is going to be the right answer for this. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 12. Two particles with mass in the ratio 1:4 are moving with equal kinetic energies. The magnitude of their linear momentum will conform to the ratio. Very good question from engineering mechanics. Very good question from engineering mechanics. Solve this, guys. Solve this, guys. So after this, guys, be ready for ISRO also. And from Tuesday onward, we are going to meet for ISRO practice sessions once again. And for ISRO, this time we will also plan some aptitude questions, okay, separately. Okay, so tell me what would be the answer. Tell me what would be the answer. Very good. The answer for this is B. Because they are saying kinetic energy of 1 is kinetic energy of 2. So half m1v1 square, half m2v2 square. They are saying the masses are in the ratio 1/4. So m1 by m2, half will get cancelled out, is v2 by v1 ka square. So you know it is 1/4. So v2 by v1 is coming out to be 1/2. So if you want to write down the linear momentum 1 by linear momentum 2, it is m1 v1 by m2 v2. m1 by m2 is 1/4. v2 by v1 is 1/2. So v1 by v2 will be 2. Answer will be 1/2. Yes. So moving to the next question, guys. Question number 13. This is heat transfer question. Question number 13 is from heat transfer. This is very simple question, and this type of questions are coming in all the exams of PSUs. Wonderful, guys. Solve this and do like and share the session. Still we are left with more than 20 questions, more than 30 questions actually. Total 42 questions today we are going to solve. Okay, YS is saying answer is going to be B. What about others? What about others? A. Okay. Answer is A. A is correct answer. You know na ki resistance in the conduction is given as L by Ka. So when you are going to have this as T1, this as T2, and we have, let us say, 3 bodies, K1, K2, K3, then you know we would be having T1 minus T2, the temperature difference, divided by L by AK, Li by Ai, Ki, summation, I is equals to 1 to 3. Answer will be A for this. Moving to question number 14. Very good, Sanket, wonderful. It's Manish, very good. Moving to question number 14. On loading a ductile material in excess of a certain value, gradual increase in elongation occurs with time. Such phenomena is known as. So guys, today I have exactly taken HPCL pattern. Exactly. It is a 50% paper because mini mock test means we are going to have 50% number of questions. So out of 85, I have taken 42 questions. Amit is saying A is the answer. Amresh is saying E. Ram Prasad is saying creep. Yes, creep is correct. Because you know, whenever we are talking about the relation with time, creep is the answer. Okay. Fatigue is the phenomena of resistance, reduction in resistance. Okay. Stress concentration, you know, that is the increase of stress. Moving to the question number 15. This is machine design question. The failure occurs at a point in a member when the maximum shear stress in a biaxial straight shaft reaches the shear stress at elastic limit. This is according to which theory? So they have given a statement. They are asking for which this is. Creep test is happened on the constant load. But yes, when we are talking about fatigue, there the loading is variable. So when we are talking about creep, creep is telling us the effect of time, which converts elastic deformation into plastic deformation. Okay, very good. So answer for this question is B. Yes, because you know this is the theory of maximum shear stress theory. This is the statement of maximum shear stress theory, which is also known as MSST, given by Guest and Tresca. Given by Guest and Tresca. B is the right answer. Yes. Moving to the question number 16. This is once again from machine design gear topic. They are saying surface endurance limit of gear material depends upon surface hardness, modulus of elasticity, elastic strength, all of the above. What would be the answer, guys? What would be the answer? Dear, when we are talking about this endurance limit is majorly depending on this surface hardness. Okay, majorly it is depending on the surface hardness. So when we are talking about, there was a formula of K, है ना, in the gear wear strength equation. There K was sigma ES का square, and then there were some other factors are available. So I feel you are saying with respect to this. So sigma ES is depending on what they are asking. So that is majorly depending on surface hardness. Okay. So moving to the question number 17, a double strap butt joint is always. A double strap butt joint is always. Double strap butt joint is always. Yes. So I would like to tell you double strap butt joint. This is one plate, another plate. This is one strap plate, another strap plate. If you are going to have a hole here, and let us say I am putting a rivet here, then shear will happen from here and here. So that is why this is the case of double shear. So always it will be having the double shear. Very good. Moving to the next question, question number 18. Rivets are made of soft material, hard material, ductile material, brittle material. What would be the answer for this, guys? What would be the answer for this? Yes. So guys, rivets are made by the ductile materials. Okay. Rivets are made by ductile materials. Moving to question number 19. Angle of dwell. This is theory of machines. Very good, Deepshika. This is theory of machines. Angle of dwell of cam is defined as. Very good, Sanket. So this time question number 19, they are asking about angle of dwell. This is question from theory of machines, cam topic. Cam and follower is the topic from which this question is asked. Okay, Manish is saying C will be the answer. Yes, answer will be C, because dwell angle is the point, is the angle during which the cam rotates but follower do not move. Okay. विनीत मैराथन चालू होंगे मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इसरो के एग्जाम के बाद. 7 जनवरी को इसरो का पेपर है, उसके बाद मैराथन चालू हो जाएंगे और वी विल बी हैविंग फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, इफ पॉसिबल वी विल ट्राई टू डू 1 to 2 मैराथन बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो. ओके, YS actually it is not necessary at the highest position, but when option wise you will see this is the most appropriate answer. Okay, so we need to check the options also, na? So option wise this is the most appropriate because it is saying that ki follower remains. Okay, so answer will be C for this. Moving to the question number 20. Once again, theory of machines. This is from simple lower pairs chapter. What would be the answer, guys? A pantograph is a device that reproduces the displacement on the same scale, on any scale, reduced scale and large scale. Yes? Don't you feel it can make at any scale? Don't you feel it can make at any scale? Okay? Yes. Moving to the next question, guys. We are left with 22 more questions. 22 more questions. Question number 21. In the case of gyroscopic effect, the plane of spin, gyroscopic couple and precision are. This is from gyroscope, theory of machines, gyroscope. Theory of machines, gyroscope topic. What would be the answer? You know that whenever we are talking about gyroscope, body is rotating about one axis. Okay? And you are going to rotate the axis of spin about the other axis. And then, my dear, it will be getting the precision and the gyroscopic effect will be coming about the third axis. So, if body is rotating about x-axis, you are giving rotation to the axis about y-axis, effect will be coming about z-axis, so answer will be mutually perpendicular. Moving to question number 22. 22, guys. Question number 22. Which of the following is a lower pair? Gear, belt drive, cam and follower, piston and cylinder. Which of them is the lower pair? So first of all, when we are talking about gears, we show the pitch circles meeting at point. Point mean higher pair. Cam and follower, everybody knows is a higher pair because point contact is there. Belt drive is the wrapping pair. And wrapping pair are considered nearly higher pair only. So only there is one option which is lower pair, that is piston and cylinder. Okay, so guys, with this we have done 22 questions, 20 more questions are there. 20 more questions are there. Let us move to the next question. Question number 23 is there in front of you, guys. This is from production now. Production now. You can see what is the correct sequence of the following parameters in order to their maximum to minimum influence on tool life. Number 1 is the feed rate, number 2 is the depth of cut, number 3 is the cutting speed. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. YS, whenever we are talking about belt drive, actually belt is rough surface. When we are talking about the belt drive, let us say this is the pulley. So in reality, the surface of pulley is like this, rough surface. It is not having very good surface finish. Like cylinder piston have very good surface finish, but this have very bad surface finish. Similarly, the belt will also be having bad surface. So when the belt will be passing from there, contact will not be surface contact. Contact will be at multiple points, so which is considered as near to higher pairs. So contact is present at multiple points in case of belt drive, in case of rope drive. Why? Because the surfaces are very rough. So that is why we consider them higher pair, not lower pair. Answer for this is, you know that the maximum effect is there for the speed, then for feed, then for depth of cut. So VFD, it is 3, 1, 2. Answer will be D. Okay. So guys, today I have kept less numerical. The reason is HPCL is asking less numerical. So as tomorrow is the exam, today I have taken the level of questions same as that of HPCL. Previous to that, I was keeping slightly higher. Okay. Is it clear? Moving to the next question, question number 24. Standard to be used for reference purpose of laboratory and workshop are termed as. For laboratory and workshop are termed as. Is it primary standard, secondary standard, tertiary standard, working standard? I would like to tell you, my dear, for R&D work in the big company or in the ISRO and NASA, primary calibrations are used. In the industries, secondary calibrations are used. In the normal, we use tertiary. Okay. So obviously laboratories are coming under normal category. So answer will be tertiary. Okay. Is it clear? Like workshop, when we are talking about laboratory, we are talking about generally labs and workshop are coming under normal use. Okay, because when they are going to do the research, they are doing at their own level. Okay, when you will be doing for country, doing for the organization like ISRO, DRDO, then it will be going to be related to the primary standards. Okay, moving to the question number 25. For achieving a specific surface finish in a single point cutting tool, the most important factor is. Dear, that is from metrology and inspection. Metrology and inspection. Because they are talking about calibration. Okay. Actually, this thing is taught to you in the colleges in measurement and inspection measurement and inspection subject. So in reality, it is not in the GATE syllabus. But as some questions PSUs are asking from your BTech knowledge also. So they are asking this from measurement and inspection subject in the BTech generally student studies. Okay, question is about the feed, because you know the H maximum practically is coming out to be F square upon 8R. You also get H max as F divided by tangent CS plus cot CE. This is theoretically, this is practically. Okay. So answer is, you can see it is square of feed, but in none of the formula we have depth of cut. So answer will be feed. Moving to the next question, 26. Interchangeability can be achieved. This is from metrology chapter. Metrology chapter. Interchangeability can be achieved by standardization, better process planning, simplification, better product planning. This is from metrology part. Answer will be A, because my dear, when you are going for standardization, what do you mean by standardization? Like CBSE have made a standard syllabus for 12th class that is followed throughout the country. So standards, if they are there, interchangeability means what? Now the same books can be used in all the universities. That is said to be interchangeability. If a North Indian student is going to see the South Indian student book, that it is going to be same. Okay, that is interchangeability. विनीत, अभी करना है तो लास्ट ईयर वाले से ही कर लो, ठीक है. अगर अभी लाइव करना है तो फिर बाद में कर लेना, ठीक है. बात तो वही रहेगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, 27. प्लग गेजेस आर यूज्ड. दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम मेट्रोलॉजी एंड इंस्पेक्शन. Plug gauges are used. Plug gauges. You know, whenever we are talking about the gauge, gauges are used for inspection purpose. They are going to check whether the part is having tolerances in the desired limit or not. So we are having two types of gauges. One is ring, other is plug. Ring gauges are used to check the shaft. Plug gauges are used to check the hole. So what would be the right answer? The answer for this is going to be what? Yes. So guys, actually The answer will be C. Check the diameter of holes in the workpiece. Okay, is it clear? They are not measuring devices. They are inspection devices. They cannot tell you the diameter. They can tell you whether the diameter is in accepted range or not. That is why B is wrong and C is correct. Moving to the 28th. Here they are asking you about the basic shaft and basic hole. Here they are asking you about the basic shaft and basic hole. Basic shaft and basic hole are those whose upper deviation and lower deviation are respectively. Yes, guys. Very good. So answer for this is going to be 0 and 0. Okay. Basic size means you know that whatever the nominal and basic size, we are putting it as 0. Okay. So after that, deviations are measured from here only. Okay. Moving to question number 29, guys. 29 is, in centrifugal pump maximum efficiency is obtained. This is fluid machinery question. Fluid machinery question. Yes. This is bent backward. C is the right answer for this. This is from fluid machinery. Okay. Moving to the next question, question number 30. The flow of fluid in a pipe takes place from higher level to lower level, small end to large end, higher pressure to lower pressure, higher energy to lower energy. This is fluid mechanics. Question number 30. After that, we have 12 more questions to go. So dear, fluid always flow from high energy to low energy. Okay. So never get confused about C and D. It is high energy to low energy. Very good, Amit. Moving to the next question. So these are exactly the HPCL level question. In HPCL, you will see this type of question more in number, because they are giving you 170 question and very less time. You are not even getting 1 minute a question. You are getting 40 seconds. The ultimate tensile strength and yield strength of most of the metals when temperature fall from 0 to minus 150 degrees Celsius. Increase, decrease, same, or first increase then decrease. Dear, always remember, whenever you are going to heat a material, then generally it becomes soft. Here you are not going to heat, you are going to cool it. So when you will cool, will the strength increase or decrease? Yes, सोच कर बोलिए. When the temperature is getting decreased, strength will increase. Okay, A would be the right answer. When you heat something, you are giving energy, bonds are breaking, things will become soft. Okay, A. Moving to 32, true sight, material science. True sight is obtained when quenching steel during transformation, or fully hardened steel in finely drawn at about 677. Steel is rapidly quenched in oil when alloy steels are rapidly quenched in water. What would be the answer, guys? Question number 32. 10 more questions after this. So answer for this is nothing but A, quenching steel during transformation. True sight. Okay, this is a previous year question of ISRO again, but you will find their repetition in the PSUs. Moving to the next question, question number 33. This is from heat treatment. Induction hardening is process of. Induction hardening is process of. Induction hardening is the process of. Induction hardening is the process of. I would like to tell you, when we are talking about induction hardening, I would like to tell you that when you study the process like annealing, normalizing, hardening, after that you study surface hardening. In surface hardening we have annealing, we have normalizing, we have I have written it wrong. When we are talking about surface hardening technique, we have carburizing, nitriding, cyaniding, then flame hardening, induction hardening. So answer will be D for this. Is it clear? Yes. Moving to question number 34. This is heavy water used in atomic power plant as the, yes, heavy water is used as fuel, source of energy, lubricant or moderator. Okay, Amresh, I will try to share you the answer with some fact and figure, in that case in my Telegram channel. Okay, if you have any doubt, then I will try to share it, the solution for you. Okay, because in some books also material science questions are having some issues, so I will try to search it in more dense and will share it, because in some of the question of production there are some types of issues like that. So I will definitely check it once and again share it on Telegram channel today only. Okay. Dear, selective hardening means when you want to harden a selective area, but when you want to harden the complete surface, then it is surface hardening. Okay. What is the answer here? The answer here will be D, moderator. So moderator is used in atomic power plant. Okay. Moving to question number 35. Which one is not the purpose of heat treatment of steel? Which one is not the purpose of heat treatment of steel? Yes. Which one is not the purpose of heat treatment of steel? Yes. In heat treatment, we are not looking for changing the percentage of carbon and silicon. Okay, so the answer will be B for this. 7 questions are left, guys. Question number 36. A body which is permanently deformed is said to have undergone. Sanket, answer will be B. Because in heat treatment, we are not thinking of changing the composition. We are heating it, holding it and cooling it for improvement of properties. Yes, the answer for this will be the plastic deformation. Plastic deformation is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, guys. The defect responsible for the phenomena of slip by which most metals deform plastically is known as? The defect responsible for the phenomena of slip by which most metals deform plastically is known as? It is material science crystal imperfections. Answer will be dislocation. Yes, it is correct. Very good, guys. Next question is question number 38. This is from sheet metal operations. We are left with 4 more questions, guys. 4 more questions. I feel you know that when we are going to have the punching and blanking operation, and you are talking about the minimum diameter hole we are going to produce, then you write the stress into area pi by 4d square is equals to tau ultimate into pi dt. Okay. So when you are going to equate them, you are going to see that if this and this are equal, then they are asking what is the relation between diameter and thickness. So you will find diameter is coming equals to thickness. Equals to thickness or 1/4 of the thickness. What you will get? They are saying maximum crushing stress is 4 times the maximum shear stress. Okay. This is 4 times the tau ultimate. So if this is 4, 4 and 4 will get cancelled out. Diameter will be coming equals to thickness. C will be the right answer. Everybody got it? Because they have given that sigma C is 4 times tau ultimate. So 4, 4 will get cancelled out. Arey bhai, how you are getting 4 times? Answer will be coming out to be C only, equals to plate thickness. Moving to the question number 39. An unconstrained thin circular disc has a concentric hole. On heating the diameter of the hole. Okay, first do this question. Kinetic energy of the molecule in terms of absolute temperature is proportional to. Yes. So guys, like the session because we are about to complete, and subscribe if you have not done yet. Because for ISRO also many sessions will be coming for you guys. Then for GATE marathons will be starting. Yes, you know that the energy formula we are writing as 3 by 2 kT. Here T is the absolute temperature. K is the Boltzmann constant. And when you are going to find out the velocity, as you will be equating half mv square is equals to 3 by 2 kT, then velocity will be coming directly proportional to. So the answer will be A. But generally students remember this from their 11th class. That is why they go for D. But they are not asking you the velocity, they are asking you about the energy. Moving to 41. Which type of heat exchanger in automobile radiator? Ram Prasad, for BEL cutoff, I will make a separate video because ऐसे मेरे को कोई सबके कट ऑफ रटे हुए थोड़ी है, तुम ऐसे खड़े टाइम सर इसका क्या होगा तो we will make a separate video after analysis. For such thing we give many time for analysis, then only we can predict something. Okay, so the answer for this is cross flow type. Cross flow type. Okay, moving to the next question. Heat transfer once again. Heat transfer once again. Which type of heat exchanger and okay, this is the spectral energy distribution for a body at temperature T is shown in the figure. Now the temperature of the body is increased. then lambda m will shift towards right, lambda m will shift towards left. Total energy emitted by the body will decrease. Lambda m will remain the same, but Em will increase. Everybody understood the answer for this is B. Everybody understood the answer for this is B. So guys, now one question which I left, I want you to answer in the comment section. This one. Okay. And I would like to tell you one thing, that this is the completion of this session. We have completed this last mini mock test. And I would like to say all the best for the exam of tomorrow. And I feel you guys would be getting the results and you will get selected. And also I would like to say that after exam you can share the questions and every detail with me, that from which topic questions were there, for which subject more questions were there, whatever in your memory is having about the exam, whether it was more calculative, lengthy, easy, difficult, theory question, numerical question, ratne wale question, whatever be, you can share with me after the exam personally on the Telegram or on the WhatsApp, so that I can make the exam analysis for the other students who are going to appear in the next year also, and for you guys also to get the clear picture that how the exam was. Okay, so try to do that, and we are going to meet once again for ISRO from Tuesday onward. And when we will be coming for ISRO, we will be having full length test also, and before 7th January we will try to keep at least 5 to 6 sessions of ISRO numericals practice. Okay, and then after that we will be meeting for GATE marathons, and in this way we will be together till you guys are getting settled down. Okay, so goodbye for this particular video. I will share the PDF on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. And guys, those students who are preparing in the vision courses of BYJU'S, for all the exam like HPCL, HAL, ISRO, DRDO, all the content is covered. So if any of your junior want to prepare for all the exams together, they are GATE and ESC specific course, but they cover the technical syllabus of all the exam. You can tell them so that they get benefited of that. So goodbye guys for this particular session. And you can see the previous year weightage analysis for HPCL available in the video section. Okay, Sanket, I will share the PDF of mock test 1 also. Goodbye for this particular video guys.